and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika. Let's look at today's top medical news. Endometriosis and fibroids may be tied to increased risk of premature mortality. Women with a history of endometriosis and uterine fibroids might have an increased long-term risk of premature death, finds a large study published in the BMJ. Growing evidence shows that both conditions are associated with a greater long-term risk of chronic diseases such as high blood pressure, heart disease, and some cancers, but their effect on risk of death before the age of 70 remains unclear. To explore this further, researchers drew information provided by 110,091 women taking part in the Nurses Health Study 2 who were aged 25 to 42 years in 1989 and had no history of hysterectomy before endometriosis or fibroids diagnosis, cardiovascular diseases or cancer. Starting in 1993 and every 2 years thereafter, these women reported any diagnosis of endometriosis confirmed by laparoscopy and uterine fibroids confirmed by ultrasound or hysterectomy. Incidence trends and 8 risk factors of ischemic heart disease and stroke. Study finds incidence of stroke and ischemic heart disease are declining around the world, except for in a handful of regions, according to research in the open access journal PLOS Global Public Health. Authors find that in East and West Sub-Saharan Africa, East and Central Asia, and Oceania, ischemic heart disease is increasing, which may be attributed to 8 factors that include diet, high BMI, household air pollution, and more. The team analyzed global data from 1990 to 2019 for incidence of ischemic heart disease and stroke and for exposure to 87 potential attributable factors. How worse moods are associated with browsing negative content online. People with poorer mental health are more prone to browsing negative content online, which further exacerbates their symptoms, finds a study led by UCL researchers. The relationship between mental health and web browsing is causal and bidirectional, according to the Wellcome-funded study published in Nature Human Behavior. The researchers have developed a plugin tool that adds content labels to web pages, similar to nutrition labels on food design, to help users make healthier and more informed decisions about the content they consume. These labels emphasize the emotional impact of web page content along with its practicality and informativeness. Over 1,000 study participants answered questions about their mental health and shared their web browsing history with the researchers. Using natural language processing methods, the researchers analyzed the emotional tone of the web pages participants visited. Vagus nerve stimulation may ease inflammatory bowel disease. Researchers at Duke University School of Medicine have found that tapping into the nerve system could help reduce the gut inflammation that drives inflammatory bowel disease. A new study reveals how electrical stimulation of the vagus nerve, that is a major nerve connecting the brain and gut, may combat the stress-related inflammation that worsens inflammatory bowel disease symptoms. Published in Science Translation, the study showed that vagus nerve stimulation in stressed mice with colitis, a form of inflammatory bowel disease, reduced inflammation, improved symptoms, and boosted survival rates. By engaging the parasympathetic nervous system, the team observed that inflammation could be eased by inhibiting summoylation, a cellular process that shapes immune response. Modulating summoylation, either through vagal nerve stimulation or treatment with a summoylation inhibitor, could open the door to inflammatory bowel disease therapies that focus on managing inflammation directly rather than alleviating symptoms. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.